product for today. But Jonathan, as you can remember, you did challenge me last year.
I challenge you to making a type of cuisine. It can be any cuisine that you choose. It is going to be a kitchen, but in a kitchen that I create. And my kitchen is going to be a combi or a car.
So the challenge for the day is in the back. Should we actually reveal that?
Let's go.
Ta-da! So we are going to be cooking while you are driving. I'm going to be making a sandwich. Then I'm going to be driving and we're going to see what your sandwich making skills is. So what do you think of that?
Hang on, that wasn't part of the plan. I challenged you to a driving challenge.
Exactly. So you are going to be responsible for cutting the bread. Beautiful ciabatta, freshly baked this morning. Then over to our mozzarella and some feta, hint, nudge. It's a beautiful combination if you manage in time to mix the two. Then over to our garlic, ground black pepper and some sesame seeds and Italian parsley. How skilled are you in the cooking situation of things?
Well, I'll tell you what, the joke's on you because I've been making sandwiches for at least 25 years. So I welcome this challenge with open arms. So bring it on, let's go.
He's definitely an expert on all levels for this one.
Let's get cracking.
Okay, are we ready?
Ready.
And
3, 2,
1, go! Oh my goodness! So we've got up to... Oh, there goes the bread! Easy there, sir! Where do you want your sandwich, on the floor? Oh, interesting ingredients. I still have my sandwich. The rest of the bread unfortunately has departed and decided that it's not going to be with us anymore. Very straightforward cheese sandwich, unfortunately, sir. Over to some Italian herbs, a little bit more herbs there, because we won't be doing any onions, so the idea would be to just match that with our herbs. And then we're going to put the sandwich on top. One more corner to go, and
how's the sandwich looking?
Trying to keep the sandwich in the air here.
What is this? You had a nursery ground. You had a whole mess in the back as well.
I know, but like that luckily is on you, sir, because you've been driving like a lunatic. I actually think it's now time that we change the apron for the helmet.
Fair enough, but you have to do me a favor, please. Look after me or I promise I will come and haunt you in your dreams.
Oh, I can't promise anything.
Let's go! Okay, first of all, Izelle, drive nicely! Oh my goodness, everything is falling everywhere! You've sabotaged me! This bread knife doesn't cut nicely. Okay, there's one. There's my second one.
I'm not sure what your sandwich is going to look like.
Okay, chuck that over there. Okay, that's up. Get some onion. Oh my goodness! Hang on, I got some cheese going. Don't worry about me.
Sounds so nervous.
Let me just hoist some herbs, gotta zhuzh it up a bit.
So thank you for asking how the driving is going. I'm having an
It's
absolute
horrific.
breeze. I think I should put some ABBA on the radio.
A dollop, is that what you call it? A dollop?
A dollop of what?
A dollop of parsley.
A dollop of parsley. I can't say
And just to
that.
improve the prezzo,
Correct.
add a bit more.
You have 5 seconds left, so what is your
I feel like you're cheating me. Hang on. Okay.
Okay.
Gotta add some
5,
beautiful
4,
feta.
3,
Damn it.
2, 1. And
Okay.
what does your sandwich look like, sir?
It's presentable.
Oh my goodness. Now Now there's been a lot of flying garlic, there's been a lot of sliding, there's been a lot of slicing, there's been a lot of ingredients that has gone missing. Now yes, we both completed the sandwich challenge.
I mean, look, my
Okay.
sandwich was accompanied by a better half.
A better half.
A better half.
Was there actually garlic on the better half?
The garlic ejected the car. I think I saw it fly out the window. But I did have a better half. Something happened to it. I think it ended up under your seat. But so
Which
I'm
is
just going
the
to say,
driver's seat, by the way.
I just want to say that my sandwich had a very difficult journey.
Okay.
But
Okay.
you know, I've got some herbs, some sesame seeds, a little bit of feta. The rest of it is on my shoe, and some parsley.
But guys, we need a little bit of your help, so please let us know on our social pages which sandwich you think is the best. And to just help motivate the cause or the situation a little bit, Jonathan, why do you think people should vote for yours?
I think it's very simple. You would be voting for a struggle. You want the sandwich that overcame a difficult journey and in the end came out all right. Or Santon. I don't know.
This is what?
Santon.
Santon.
That had an easy upbringing. This went through a difficult journey.
Do you forget
was smooth.
how
A racing driver
all
has
my
to be
ingredients was flying everywhere? I still managed to catch some things. The cheese left me halfway through the second turn there, and I still managed to make a beautiful triple cheese and Italian herb with garlic sandwich. So I've got my viewers or my voters' best interest at heart. But let us know what you think. Any famous last words, sir? The man has ran out of words. Well, that's it from our side. Till next time, right here on Motoring Talk. Same time, same place, right here on Ignition TV. Cheers.